Ohio law enforcement officials shot fleeing black guy. Dozens of instances. Legal professional says police killed Jayland Walker, a black guy in Ohio, through taking pictures him dozens of times as he ran from officials following a traffic prevent, a legal professional for his circle of relatives mentioned, citing an assessment of police body-worn digital camera footage due to be made public on Sunday. In remarks posted on Saturday by way of the Akron Beacon-Journal, legal professional Bobby DiCello defined the video as brutal, and stated Walker's loved ones concerned that protests this weekend ought to turn violent. The shooting become the contemporary in a spate of killings of black guys through regulation enforcement in the United States that critics say are unjustified, inclusive of the 2020 murder of George Floyd in Minneapolis that ignited worldwide protests against police brutality and racial injustice. We're all bracing for the community's reaction, and the only message that we've got is the family does no longer want any greater violence, DiCello stated. Akron police have said Walker, 25, fired a gun at officials who had been pursuing him. They plan to launch their frame digital camera footage following an information convention on Sunday, hours before a protest march is scheduled. Protest is a manner of crying, Roderick Pounds Sr., pastor of the Second Baptist Church in Akron, mentioned at some point of a prayer rally there on Saturday after he changed into authorized to look the video prior to its being made public. Pounds declined to describe in detail the image video the world is about to look, but he called the footage surprising, pronouncing it confirmed Walker posed no chance when he became shot down in a way the pastor likened to a bloodbath. It's barbaric, Pounds stated in an interview with neighborhood TV station WEWS-TV. You'll see the following day. Officials have said the lethal disagreement began whilst officials tried to forestall Walker for a visitor's violation while he turned into riding early Monday morning. Walker fled, consistent with the Akron Police Department, which said officers reported a gun being fired from Walker's car. After several minutes Walker exited his vehicle and ran, even as officials chased him strolling and fired at him, announcing he provided a lethal chance, the police department said in a statement on Tuesday. Walker became stated dead within the automobile parking space in which he fell. Police representatives did now not at once respond to requests for touch upon Saturday. DiCello stated his group has not seen any evidence Walker fired a weapon and that police body camera footage showed him running with his return to officers when they gunned him down. He is just in a down dash while he is dropped by I suppose the count is greater than 90 shots, DiCello told the Beacon-Journal. Now how lots of those land, in step with our investigation proper now, we're getting info that propose 60 to 80 wounds. It turned into not clear what number of bullets struck Walker because bullets can purpose wounds both getting into and exiting the frame, DiCello mentioned. Television station WJW-TV mentioned a preliminary record from the health worker's office found Walker sustained more than one gunshot wounds to his head, torso and legs, and that a weapon changed into recovered from an automobile via Ohio's Bureau of Criminal Investigation, though it did now not specify which vehicle. Pounds informed WEWS that Walker did not have a weapon when he was shot. It became in his automobile. Compounding the tragedy, in line with the Beacon-Journal, Walker's fiancée had died in an automobile twist of fate ultimate month, even though WJW cited lawyers for his own family as announcing Walker had no intention of harming himself or others while he changed into killed. The officers concerned within the taking pictures were located on administrative depart in the course of an investigation, the department's declaration said.